prayer there. Come on, Richard. Run, Rich, run! Atta boy! Look at his feet dangling. That's Richard, everybody.
Beautiful job, beautiful takeoff, perfect. Look up at your wing. There's your wing up there. Look, it's just fine. Those little bumps you feel are all normal. That's all good. It's okay, you're riding on the wind now. Kick your feet if you can hear me. Right turn back towards me. Pull the right brake. Always keep a little pressure on the outside one. Or pull a little right brake. There you go. There you go. It's gonna accelerate now. That's cool. There you go. A little bit more right brake. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Looking good, man. Looking good. Fly over our heads. Right turn. Fly over our heads. You're going to yell down. You're going to let us hear a big old wahoo. Come on, let's hear a good old country scream. There we go. There we go. Looking good, man. Looking good.
Looking good, Richard.
Looking good, man.
Nice run, Richard.
Good job, brother. Right turn. You're flying, man. You are a flight junkie.
Yes, indeed.
68. Nice. 768. All right.
All right then,
Take in the
768.
view, man. Look around. You're flying. You are flying. Good job, Mav. Good job. Woo!
Look at you right overhead.
Oh, yeah.
Go for that sun. Head over by that sun.
Don't worry about the left-hand turns now. Go ahead and make a left-hand turn here. Pull that left hand. There you go. Hold it right there until it starts to move. Pull it. It's not touching it. It's pulling it and holding it. There you go. Looking good. Looking good. Good job. Nice job. Nice takeoff. Look at that. No, it's about you look good, man. You look good.
Looks good up there, Maverick.
They were you right now down here.
Yeah, hurry, come on down here. I want to go up.
How you feeling up there? Yell it down. We'll hear you. You liking that? What did you say?
What?
Say that again. You're doing real good. Everything sounds really good. It looks like it's running real good. Looking beautiful up there.
You're on 6 minutes
A
now.
little bit of right turn. And go straight. Pick a heading. Look out over the horizon. Enjoy the flight, man. You only get one first flight. You can never relive your first flight. This is it, man. You're in it now. You're in real time. This is it, baby.
I can't find them with the
Nice
damn
job. Nice job. Those little bumps that you feel, that's cool. Just the weight of your arms on the brakes. Okay? Only let it suspend your arms. You don't have to pull down them. Just let it suspend your arms. There you go. Kick your feet if you can hear me. Good job. Looking good, man. Looking good.
Did he slide back into the seat,
turn,
Kurt?
Right turn. Fly back over the orange groves, and then we're going to pull another Yui and face back towards the field.
Did you already slide him back into the seat?
Yeah, he's
Or
already
did he
in.
already do that?
Yeah, he's already in.
Cool. Did you hear Carla? She asked if you needed anything up there. That's a good one there.
Why is Brian to land? We're gonna land.